In this video we will be discussing the quadratic equation. So the general or standard form is one way to write a quadratic equation, and in this form we have f of x or y set equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. When you see it written like this, a, b, and c are constants, or you may see it written like this here, belong to the set of all real numbers. And x and y are your variables that can change. X is your input, and then y would be your output. Another way you can see a quadratic equation written is vertex form, where y is set equal to a times the quantity of x minus h squared plus k. In this case, a, h, and k are all real numbers, and x and y are still variables. The reason why this is significant is because h and k then are the coordinates for the vertex of the parabola that is formed when this equation is graphed. And so typically when you're giving the equation of a parabola, it's either given in standard form or vertex form. And so here is an example of a quadratic equation graphed as a parabola, and note that these two lines here go on upwards infinitely. And so we have it written here in standard form, and we have it written here in vertex form. The overall course of this video series will include several topics. We're going to look at the roots of a quadratic equation, whether the parabola is pointing up, down, left, or right, where the vertex is located, what to do when it has imaginary roots, what to do when it only has one root, how to graph a quadratic equation, and determining the equation of a parabola from the graph.